Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 working under your car using wooden blocks.
Hi, this is a video just showing how I'm doing some DIY repairs on my XK8, which are a little bit more advanced. This is my XK8, it's a 1996 model year, it's the 3000th off the production line, so it's a fairly early one, so I'd like to keep it. A lot of the work on the XK8 needs it to be hoisted up in the air. Obviously I don't have a ramp or a pit, but I've utilised some scrap wood from my work and made these blocks. These blocks are actually 3 individual blocks and they mesh together like Lego. So I can, with my 3-ton jack, I can basically hoist the front up and then alternate to the rear and the front and rear and get it up roughly about 500-600 mil off the ground. So this enables me to, at the moment I've been able to drop the front cross member down. I've also serviced the gearbox. So I'm hoping this will help me keep this car on the road. I actually got this idea from a guy in America who was doing a YouTube video on changing an automatic gearbox. It's quite a good idea. Saves buying a car ramp. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.